Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. And magandang hapon to all our Filipino viewers. Today I'm going to be making some steak burgers. I'm going to actually grind up. I got New York steak here that we had left over from a couple days ago, and then a thick cut of prime rib. I'm going to be chopping this all up, sticking it in my grinder, grinding it up. Gonna make some juicy, delicious steak burgers. All right, let me get everything chopped up. Okay, so I got all my meat chunked up. Now we're gonna start grinding. Gonna do a chunk at a time. I put these in since I had two different kinds of meats. It's nothing like a fresh burger. You know, you can buy the patties out of the store, but it's nothing like a fresh ground burger. Turn the speed up a little bit. Doesn't take very long, but I know what's in my burger. That's all our meat. All right, got the meat all ground up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season it up. I love using Kinders. I got my wood-fired garlic and my lemon pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and eyeball this. And I'm gonna mix it all up. Then I'm gonna add a little Worcestershire for a little more moisture. Worcestershire or W sauce, however you guys prefer. Add a little bit of that. Now let's go ahead and get in here and grind this, not grind it up, but get this meat, a lot of seasoning combined. Then I'll form these into patties, and we're gonna get some burgers going. And I didn't cut much of the fat off of the prime rib because I needed a little fat to make these burgers form together. All right, so now I'm just gonna form these into some patties. These are about quarter-pound patties. Just gonna press them, form them. Got two. All right, got the patties formed. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get these grilled onions done. So I'm gonna put a little, this is garlic and herb seasoned butter. butter in there. Coming along good. All right, so the grilled onions are done. Just gonna set those off to the side for when I start preparing the burger. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna toast my buns, then I'll get the meat on. All right, so now I'm gonna toast these buns. Can I use the same butter? Just gonna make 2 burgers for now. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel and you like it, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel because that really helps us out a lot, and leave a comment. How do you make your burgers? I'd love to hear from you. Flip these over. Oh yeah, looking good. Get a little bit on this side. It's looking good. Those are pretty much almost done. Just want to get the backside a little toasted. Okay, now let's get these burgers on. I'm only going to make 2. Do one side, pepper. Turn it up. All right, these should be ready to flip. Oh yeah. Those look gorgeous, don't they? All right, so the burgers are done. My wife's gonna eat hers on a lettuce wrap, so I'm just gonna get my daughter's burger ready. Spread a little mayonnaise. It's Miracle Whip, by the way. Then I put some Colby Jack on the bottom and Swiss on the top. My wife wants the same thing, so I'm gonna put her Swiss on the top already. A little bit of mustard. And I'm going to go ahead and put her patty here so to get that bottom cheese melted. I'm going to throw her on some onions. She doesn't want tomatoes. I think I said that already. And this is the burger. Let's spin her around there. Now this one is for my daughter. She didn't want any pickles and none of that stuff. She just wanted lettuce. She got 2 cheeses. That's Swiss cheese and Colby Jack. Let me just stand up. There we go. And this is it for my daughter. My wife ate hers with French wrap, lettuce wrap. But my daughter's, this is hers. Oh yeah, beautiful burger. And this is my burger. I got tomatoes, pickles. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah. All right, here we go, and I'm eating. This is mine.